akasa na Dombote ekasa sei na ewo se yetimi nya bre na yetimi hwe na asem nim yie na yujen wo hwe Dombote asem nim yie a anhwe a obeka se ebia directly yenko House of Folk playing body no so but yembu say won say House of Folk as a team, House of Folk as a club ye ba be season na se no na playing body no management team, technical team, na omo direction anything, na omo focus anything, na omo target into the season anything. Because Dombote say players at House of Folk say see you know omo baller, omo attitude it is a 12 years child and I say children are Eugene. Because I won't say sa players chrono eye den na omutimi nya akonya se omo ba be share House of Folk rainbow colors no mind you before player be ebe free the club aba a new club no enema bebre ne kom House of Folk e ba be start season no na omo target me sen because ye nim ne say football club dey be start season o target any o ambition any o vision and na wo dey koye o wade a friend player purchase metre player transfers and now recruitment answer na go recruit this or a specific player or specific type of players on Eugene. You consider your vision, you consider your target, you consider your style of play, and you consider your tactical prowess would be season. It is a Dombote say players at House of Folk now, or mobile ball, I'm to say 12 years. Then, because I won't say, a players as a see, you know, or mobile at a say, Aquala, what do you fear? Do me, you know, a players never bought House of Folk. And until I make us say, answer you bet me a whole players no blame, and I say at fault, no. I will see a consider team no so. Direction, team no target, team no style of doing things, team no approach, the technical structure, the tactical prowess out the red game because you nim say obi ti say coach a friend Pep Guardiola answer na even po on show interest e will player bi hu no not that type of player, not that particular player or ye player kwa or fit in the style of play and then the approach on the field of play, it will be able to meet Pep Guardiola's tactics and style of play. It's team Biano. Answer na players embra on board no. You consider your direction, your style of play, your technical structure, and some of our players. No, it is a Dombote say how to for players. No, I'm about 12 years. You know, players no are not doing well, but yet what you ko bebra. And your players no kwana ye abasubo. I will say hold your more at fault. See fire omo because management, as a management team, before you go to a particular player, you have already assessed him. Say. Wait, Bano already or Babe fit in the scope of team no. So one now Tony Biara open by any means, by any ways. There is no line of your recruitment. You don't have any tactical, you don't have any scientific approach via Udito players. Players never or maybe yet said you don't take no. So I think House of Folk there. Say players they ball at say 12-year child. Then young question management. And these type of players about House of Folk now. Now using to the playing body themselves. And you know management anya adwuma so and omakwa for but Eugene you have a brain you who say players be etimi ameki omu way out based on opportunity be eto omo minim say kotoko ekwakoto players from Final Academy ye the players be eto omo so minim say Harris Nafo was one of them. Kotoko echo for players at Feyenoord. Kotoko anko for Harrison Afful. But Feyenoord for catcher Kotoko for say, even though say you did not request for Harrison Afful, mamu. Go and use him in your team. Otimi boy, then we talk on the player. Harrison Afful, ebe born who modern po Emma omwa na omoye Kotoko target sabreno. Harrison Afful became talk of town more than those people are. Kotoko tiska ekotom. Enti playing body no, even though say has to folk anye the due diligent and son of mokwa kofoma ba. But mobile landi and mobile do ye no. Eugene, use that ultimatum. Never can they will carry no, because you are the luckiest players at House of Folk now.
They are the luckiest.
Yes, Eugene. The 2000 team now omogoje Africa no mpono. And you ma egu akwam as playing body no omonya.
Okay.
No omonya training ewo NLA Lottery Park so. Now bisa won say current players at House of Folk. Omonda yemu te sen. Ehfa na omonya training. They have the best training facilities in the country. And it's a management mpo anya due diligence no akwakofo aba Eugene ubedru ye no de na wo ye and you convince management get on be foul
me da say
it don't go tell somebody I think say no credit very very extensive.
Okay. Nana Kwame doctor